Hello everyone, I am Yusuf Beştaş. Today we're gonna talk about tabulation approach. Tabulation approach quite different memorization approach. Of course, this goal is the same. That we wanna make faster our algorithms, but memorization approach, as you can see, like my in previous video, we use a recursion strategy, but in the tabulation approach, we're gonna use the iterative strategy. Yeah, that's make the tabulation specific. So I will give the example on the Fibonacci series because Fibonacci series more understandable for understand tabulation and memorization. Yeah, that's why this again my example. So initially, let's create my function should be returned int, and basically my function name is 5 with tabulations, and parameter is 1 and curly brace just return 0. Yeah, that's my function. So initially we need the one array, right? In array, my array name is a table new, and array length should be n plus 1. So okay, right now, firstly in the usually in the tabulations, we firstly fill the table with number. Right now we need to fill with 0, but in the Java default also is a 0. Therefore we don't need to fill the table with 0. Let's visualize that. My table is to string and table. Let's call the function with main method. We don't have any operations, just as for visualized. Okay, that's my table, right? And I need the base case. Right now, I need the base case. What is that, my base case? My 0 index is a 0 in the Fibonacci sequence, and 1 index is a 1. Yeah, that's my base example. I have to assign 1 index assigned to 1 because I am sure about that. So, and after that, let's write my iterative. So now what we should start with what? I know that 0, I already assigned the for first item, I assigned the 0. I should start with 2, and I should be less than equals n, right? And increase 1 by 1. That's my for each. So in the Fibonacci series, I know my current item should be sum of my previous minus 1 item and previous minus 2 item. That's my current item, and I sum of previous 2 item, and they will continue again. So I have to return table item n. Yeah, that's very easy example, but very understandable. Just call each other. Okay, now that's my first table, right? We do nothing. We just assign the one. Also, Java already assigned the other item 0. And after that, we sum each item to previous 2 items. And after that, I just wanna see my last table, last array, and let's gonna run. Okay, that's my first table, right? And after that, I fill each item. Let's check. Let's compare to each other. What happened? Yeah, that's Fibonacci series, right? And that's my table. And also tabulations. Okay, that will be better. Tabulation faster than memoization approach, but today we won't talk about that, because firstly we have to understand call stack, and probably my next video will be call stack, and after call stack, after understanding call stack, will be more clearly why tabulation approach faster than memoization approach. Also, tabulation approach, and if we need to compute time complexity, that's time complexity basically is a O n, right? Because I have my operation times is at n times. Yeah, today we talked about tabulation approach in type of the dynamic programming. And thank you for watching me. See you my next video.